Hello, everyone. Today, I will show you how to create a Roblox account on your computer so you can play games in the Roblox application on your computer. The first thing you can do is create a Roblox account on your computer. Then everyone will go to give me a browser. Here, I will go to the browser Microsoft Edge. Then I will go to the Roblox page, everyone. My website link is below the video description. After people go to that Roblox page, it will display a page for everyone to create an account. If everyone already has an account, everyone can log in. Now, I will create a new account. I will fill in my date of birth. After filling out, everyone will fill in the username. This is your account name, everyone. Please note that this account must not be the same as another person's account. When people see it, it displays red. Means the account is already in use. If everyone saw blue like this, we can create an account. Next we will create a password. Password has 8 characters. Now I will enter my password here. Then, after filling in the password, people will choose as gender. Here I choose this male. And I will choose to sign up. It's as simple as that. We have created an account on Roblox so we can play on the computer. Everyone can also access their account to set up more security ones. Here everyone goes to the setting. Select is this setting. Then everyone can add this phone number, this email address. When you add someone and forget your password, you can use this phone number or email address to retrieve everyone. Here, I'll just guide you how to create an account. Then I don't need any more people. Adding more is simple. Everyone chooses add. And everyone enters their email address here. After entering, it will send a confirmation email to the person's email address. And everyone press confirm and you're done. So I have promised to show everyone how to create a Roblox account on the computer. Everyone watched the video and found it interesting. If you find it useful, remember to give me a like, 1 share, 1 channel subscription, and remember to ring the bell to follow my latest videos. Now, hello everyone.